Welcome to our comprehensive guide on merging multiple sheets into one in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself drowning in a sea of spreadsheets, this tutorial is for you. You have multiple sheets scattered across your Google Sheets document, each containing valuable data. Now, imagine the convenience of having all that information neatly consolidated into one single sheet. To achieve this, we'll utilize a powerful formula that seamlessly combines data from multiple sheets. Let's dive in. Take a look at this formula. It may seem complex at first, but fear not. We'll break it down step by step. Step 1. Type the formula. First, open your Google Sheets document and create a new sheet or select an existing one where you want to merge the data. Now, carefully type the formula into a cell of the chosen sheet. Let's dissect this formula for clarity. The formula gathers data from specified cells in each sheet while ensuring that empty rows are excluded. Make sure to replace QA1, QA2, QA3, and QA4 with the actual names of the sheets you want to merge. Step 2. Press Enter. Once you've entered the formula, simply press Enter. Like magic, all the rows from the specified sheets will merge into one single sheet. And just like that, you've mastered the art of merging multiple sheets in Google Sheets. Gone are the days of juggling between tabs to find the information you need. Thank you for joining us on this journey to streamline your spreadsheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks.